Has to handle 80-pound rolls, 80 pounds, 70 pounds,